Brian here with HelpSellMyRV.com out of Louisville, Kentucky, where all RVs are for sale by owner. I'm going to do a walk around on this beautiful 2013 Keystone Cougar High Country 299RKS double slide rear kitchen fifth wheel. Go ahead and get started on the inside and then finish up by showing you the outside. Overall condition is pretty much excellent. The only thing I found wrong with it, I'll show it in the very beginning, the LED light strip. They are known for going out. It's about a $50 repair, if that. Pretty easy to fix, but they are notorious for going bad. Other than that, the coach, I would definitely, 1 through 10, 10 being the best, I would definitely say this is a 10 as far as condition. Give you an idea of the floor plan here before I get started. This is a second owner coach. The only reason why the current owners are selling it is because they are done with the RV lifestyle. I've known the owners for a couple years now. All right, go ahead and start off with this is a double slide coach. First slide is a super slide. It's going to be at least 14 foot long and 3 foot deep. Accommodates the booth dinette, which breaks down into a bed. Pretty easy. And the boot dinette, the fabrics are cloth fabric, and the colors are going to be different colors and shades of brown. You do have storage up underneath each booth dinette there. Also in the super slide is the sleeper sofa. It's a queen sleeper sofa. Grab it, I believe, from the top, and it folds out, and you can definitely sleep 2 grown adults on that. And the fabric, it's a cloth fabric finish. Inside this coach is 100% excellent condition. Showroom, any dealer I think would agree. Beautiful cabinets. I do believe this is the cherry cabinet finish on it. There's your High Country badge right there. Entertainment center area is going to be a 32-inch Vizio flat screen, and it's on a pivoting arm. Stow that away there. And your stereo is a Jensen, smart device ready, Bluetooth capable, all the good stuff. Home theater surround sound. Your hardware, it looks like maybe a bronze finish on the hardware. All right. You do have 2 rocker recliners. It's going to be a cloth fabric finish, excellent condition. The owners have not had a chance to detail this camper whatsoever. It's the first sunny day for 2001, and we've just had a bunch of snow and cold weather, but the owners have not had a chance to detail this, so I'll show you on the outside. It's a little dusty, but this coach really is pretty much almost immaculate. Nice skylight. Not sure if that was an option. This is going to be the large 8 cubic foot refrigerator by Norcold, and you can actually adjust the temperature settings on this, which is nice. Lots of cabinet space on these rear kitchen floor plans, and you can adjust the shelves if you want. You have that option. Solid surface countertops, nice pull-out sprayer faucet, lots of counter space. You do have a nice lid for your 3-burner cooktop. Front burners usually a high output, and Keystone always does the 22-inch oven, largest that they offer, I believe, in a fifth wheel. Microwave. I do also want to point out Keystone Cougar offers the full extension metal ball bearing drawer guides. All right. Nice vinyl flooring through your high traffic area. Your AC is all ducted all the way through. It's going to be the large 15,000 BTU AC unit. This camper is 12 feet 2 inches in height to the top of the AC, and the exterior length is 33 feet 11 inches. Before I forget, The blinds are going to be some of the best you can get in a fifth wheel. They are the wood blinds. A lot of residential feel on the blinds, and if I can, got some pretty good light right here. Show off those window treatments. But yeah, these blinds are the best you're going to get. Definitely nice. One of the reasons why the Keystone Cougar is number one best-selling fifth wheel in its class for 11 years now. Second slide out, it's going to be the queen bed in the master bedroom here. Queen bed does lift up. Lots of storage up underneath there. Lots and lots of storage, actually. Your TV, if you wanted a TV in here, that's where it would go, right here. And your AC is all ducted all throughout, and your heating source is going to be a 30,000 BTU furnace. Nice walk-through bathroom here. Nice solid wood pocket door there for privacy from bedroom into the master bath. Foot flush china or porcelain toilet. Nice glass enclosed shower with skylight. And nice vanity area, and you do have a medicine cabinet, not just a mirror, which is nice. Okay. And you do have a little bit of storage space for towels, odds and ends in the bathroom here too. This camper is equipped with the full remote EZ Camp remote system. You can remotely operate your awning, your lights, your jacks, pretty much everything on this coach and the slides remotely, so which is really cool. This is part of your central command center here area. Let's see here, floodlights, all your lights. I've got them all on. Slide buttons right here, and your awning button right here. And this is going to be your monitor for your tank levels. I believe 47-gallon freshwater tank, and believe 28 on the black or the toilet tank, and the gray tank I believe is 58 gallons. Anyway, and this is your thermostat control right there, which is easy to figure out. All right, give you one last look of the floor plan here. All right. The unloaded vehicle weight when it came off the assembly line, you can always tell by this little yellow telltale sticker here on the door. 7,880 pounds when it came off the assembly line. That's the UVW, the unloaded vehicle weight. This is a full fiberglass. They're calling it a gel coat finish. It's not just a regular fiberglass Phylon finish. This is the kind of finish you're going to find on the higher end fifth wheels in campers and motorhomes. Your awning is power awning, and it's fully adjusting, and it's 17 foot long. Beautiful front molded fiberglass cap with that Cougar badge on it. The sun's going to get me right here, so and it's got one of the sharpest turning radius on this front cap, so you can cut this in pretty tight. Nice mirror for when you're hitching up. See if I can get on the back side, show off that fiberglass finish. All the decals 100% excellent condition. 80% tint on the windows. This does have the Polar package, which is the fully insulated, enclosed, heated underbelly, and all your gate valves are all protected, so you can go into cold weather and not worry about any of your lines freezing up. Aluminum frame sidewalls and floors. Let's see if I can show that ducting work. There's your duct work for your your furnace. So that means this compartment area here, it is heated. So slam latch baggage doors, and insulated slam latch baggage doors. I did check this camper for water damage, did not find any issues. Show this little storage area here, little outside garage, I guess. See if I can show off that enclosed heated underbelly. There's some of your low point drains for winterizing. All your holding tanks, everything's all protected from the elements. These are going to be your 2 rear electric stabilizer jacks, and try to point it out in the front. There are front power jacks, and of course you can operate all the jacks with the remote. Brand new, pretty much brand new 15-inch tires, and they are, let's see if I can find the manufacturing date. Here it is. Let's show this one, it's a little easier. This is the manufacturing date. It's upside down, but the 4-digit code here on this little circle, first 2 digits are the week, the last 2 are the year. So all the tires were made the 40th week of 2017, and they are in excellent condition. Easy lube axles too. You can lube up your axles pretty easy. 110 outlet right there. All right, speed up this video a little bit. Ladder to get up on your full walk-on roof. Spare tire. That may have been part of a Keystone package. This camper is equipped with 50 amp service. 50 amp cord right here. And oh, you do have a hitch. I'm not sure what the hitch is rated at. That's actually really nice. Kind of back up here. Show off that back side. Little door here. This is the little buttons for your electric stabilizer jacks. There's where you hook up your sewer hose. There's your gate valves right there, and they're up into the underbelly, so they're protected. Looks like that's your freshwater drain valve right there, that blue pipe. All right, there we go. It is dirty, a little dirty on the outside. The owner keeps it stored in this beautiful barn. It's attached to their home. And the owner is a carpenter. He does woodwork, but there's a little bit of some sawdust on this. But it should shine up like a new penny. There's a little tiny scratch that I noticed, and that is the only thing. This is a 2013 model. This is normal wear and tear. This coach is in better condition than normal wear and tear, but definitely I'd put this up against any 2013 all day long. And again, all the decals are showroom condition. Water heater is going to be a 6-gallon gas electric direct spark ignition water heater. And there's your water hookups area here. Outside shower up top, and city water hookups just below that. And you do have a black tank sewer flush right here. Washes out your toilet tank, and there's your battery disconnect, the red lever there. So you can shut this whole thing down in the winter, not worry about your batteries going bad. Retract and extend. That's looks like your power jacks for the front, and again you can do all that remotely. Slam latch baggage doors, gotta love them. Forgot to point out on the other side, you do have 2 30-pound LP tanks, one on each side. Nice balance. And I'm one-handed here, so I'll try to show off this front garage area, storage area here. There you go. And these are the front electric jacks. Show off that underbelly again. Kind of back up here, kind of show off that back side. It's a beautiful camper. Definitely one of the nicest ones I've listed. All right. If you want to come and see the camper, just call the number on the ad, or you can just call 502-645-3124. You deal directly with the owner. And if you want to keep up to date on RVs coming for sale by owner in the Louisville, Kentucky area, you can always follow HelpSellMyRV.com on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube.